PDP.
Bantamburana Karkabarkidanka.
Thank you. PDP. Standing on the dignified protocol already laid and with special recognition to our national leader of our great party, the PDP, His Excellency Nyesom Wike, and also acknowledging the presence of the delegates of Kogi State who are here in the full glory. Salute, Kogi. I stand before you all to lay the motion which seeks the ratification of wards, local governments, states, and zonal congresses. The National Executive Committee of our great party in the year 2024 approved the conduct of congresses in states and South-South zonal committees that had expired executives. The affected states were Abia, Akwa Ibom, Benue, Cross River, Edo, Gombe, Imo, Jigawa, Kaduna, Katsina, Kebbi, Kwara, Kogi, Ogun, Oshun, Nasarawa, Naija, Rivers, and the FCT. 3 zones concluded their congresses: Northeast, South-South, and the North Central. The National Executive Council at the 104th meeting approved in compliance with the court judgments, and the National Caretaker Working Committee in the months of February and March 2026 concluded congresses in the states and outstanding zonal congresses. South-South and Southwest. The following states had repeat congresses. They are Anambra, Bauchi, Bayelsa, Borno, Delta, Ebonyi, Ekiti, Enugu, Kano, Lagos, Ondo, Oyo, Plateau, Taraba, Yobe, and Zamfara states. And that leads us to the prayer. The National Convention is invited to note the submissions above and to A, ratify the congresses of 2024 in Abia, Akwa Ibom, Benue, Cross River, Edo, Gombe, Imo, Jigawa, Kaduna, Katsina, Kebbi, Kwara, Kogi, Nasarawa, Ogun, Oshun, Niger, Rivers, and the FCT. B, to ratify the dissolution by the National Caretaker Working Committee and approve the congresses thereof of the following states: Anambra, Bauchi, Bayelsa, Borno, Ebonyi, Delta, Ekiti, Enugu, Kano, Lagos, Ondo, Oyo, Plateau, Taraba, Yobe, and Zamfara. And this motion has been signed by the chairman of the National Convention Planning Committee and the secretary of the same committee. So I do lay this motion, and I expect, without any undue considerations thereof, its ratification. I so move.
I hereby, Honorable Ambassador Zainab Auduba, adopt and I second this ratification by distinguished Senator Natasha.
Thank you very much, Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan.